Hello, my name is Det and today I will show you the top 10 films ever. Number 10. Mark Dacascos. Mark Dacascos is known for his role as Zero in the John Wick trilogy. He ranks 10th for his cool katana skills. Number 9. Jacob Batalon. Jacob Batalon is known for playing Ned Leeds in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. He is ranked 9th for his funny. Number 8. Jokoi. Haha, it's Jokoi. Laugh now or else. Number 7. Rob Schneider. Haha, funny guy. Number 6. Olivia Rodrigo. Olivia Rodrigo is known for making 4 good songs and 4 good songs only. Good for You, Deja Vu, Brutal and Jealousy. If only the rest of Sour is as good as these 4 songs. Too bad everything else is sad. Anyways, enough music talk. She is ranked 6th for being Olivia Rodrigo. Number 5. Apple the App. Apple the App is known for being the best Black Eyed Peas member. will.i.am can suck it. So can Fergie. And Taboo. Number 4. Batista. The man invented the Batista bomb. Need I say more? Number 3. Bruno Mars. Not to be confused with penalty merchant Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Mars is known for his exceptional music skills. He is ranked 3rd because apparently he will catch a grenade for me. What a great lad. Number 2. Dante Bosco. Dante Bosco played Zuko in Avatar, The Last Airbender. Thank you for playing Zuko, Dante Bosco. I love you, man. Thanks for making my childhood. Number 1. Kid Cudi. I know Kid Cudi isn't a Filipino, but he is the number 1. Kid Cudi is number 1 because he makes great fucking music. He isn't even a Filipino yet he finds his way to number 1 on a top 10 list. Thank you so much, Scott. I love your music. Thank you for MOTM1. I will name my child after you. Thank you so much, Scott.